Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So Raghunath Das Goswami followed very strictly. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also followed very strictly, and the Rup Sanatan Goswami followed very strictly. Not that because one is living in Vrindavan with a shortcut cloth, and therefore he has become like Rupa Goswami. Rupa Goswami was fully engaged. Nana Shastra Vicharane Kanipuno Sadharma Samasthapo Lokanang Hitakarino. They were in Vrindavan. And they are always thinking how to do good to the people, to this material world. That's like Prahlad Maharaj. Suchi tata vimukha cheta. Sadhu's concern is to think of the misled materialistic person. They are always thinking, making plans, how to elevate them, they are suffering. This is sadhu. Lokanang hitakarino. Sadhu not that I change my dress in certain way and people are out of sentiment will give me roti and I shall eat and sleep. That is not sadhu. Sadhu, Bhagavan, Krishna says, who is sadhu? Upite sudurachara, bhajate mavananna bha, sadhu reva samanta. That is sadhu. Who has fully dedicated his life for Krishna, he is sadhu. Even he has got some bad habits. Bad habits, a sadhu cannot have bad habits. Because if one is sadhu, if in the beginning he has got some bad habit, that will be rectified. Satsat bhavati dharmatma. Kiprang bhavati dharmatma. Satsat shanti nigacchati. If he is actually sadhu, his bad habits will be rectified very soon. Very soon. Not that he is continuing his bad habits and also a sadhu. That cannot be. That is not sadhu. Maybe due to his past habits, he might have committed some mistake. That can be excused. But if he, in the name of sadhu, and become a liberated person, he continues to do all nonsense, he is a cheater. He is not sadhu. Piche sudurachara, check, jadi, if by chance, it is possible. But if he sticks to Krishna consciousness, then kiprang bhavati dharmatma, sat sat shanti nigacchati. In the beginning, there may be some mistake, but we must see that whether my mistakes are now correct. That should be vigilance. Never trust the mind. That is in instruction here. Mind should not be trusted. My Guru Maharaj used to say that after getting up from your sleep, you take your shoes and beat your mind 100 times. This is your first business. And while going to bed, you take a broomstick and beat your mind 100 times. Then you can control your mind. Otherwise it's very difficult. So this beating with shoes and broomstick is also another tapasya. For men like us, who have no control over the mind, we should practice this tapasya, beating the mind with shoes and beams. Then it can be controlled. And Sami means who has control over the mind. Vacha vegam, krodha vegam, udara vegam, upastha vegam, manaso vegam, krodha vegam, etan vegan ja visayata dhira, prithivin sasishya. This is Rupa Goswami's instruction. When we can control Vacha vegam, this is Krandana vegam. They cannot control. They cannot control. Therefore they are child. The child can be excused, but if a person who is in the spiritual life, he cannot control, then hopeless. Then he is hopeless. This should be controlled. Vacha vegam, krodha vegam, udara vegam, upastha vegam. The most important thing is udara vegam and jivha vegam. Jivha vegam, it is very controlled. Bhaktivinoda Thakur said that all these senses are there, but out of them, this jivha is very dangerous. Taramat de jivhavati lobhamaya sudurmati. Tare jita kothina samsara. It is very, very difficult to control the tongue.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,